Eggmas, day 12. For today's Eggmas, I'm going to be tackling toast 3 different ways with 3 different kinds of eggs. Let me know what you want next down below. People want to know why I always burn my bread. That's a good question. I don't burn my bread. I just get color on it. It's called bien cuit. French means well done. It's just color or char. I like my bread to be dark. You see? That's color right there. Char. Okay, for egg number 1. I just took the egg and cooked it sunny side up in some spicy chili oil. And I also added some aleppo to the chili oil. If you don't have aleppo, you can use espelette, you can use Korean chili flake or regular chili flake, whichever. And don't ask me why I touch the egg with my hands, whatever, that's what I do. But yeah, I just cooked it off in some chili oil and that's egg number 1, super simple. So for egg number 2, I just went ahead and made an omelet. I like the inside to be very raw, so I just made sure to make it raw on the inside. If you don't like it raw on the inside, then just do you, right? I'm having a lot of fun with this Eggmas challenge. A lot of you guys want me to do eggnog next. I've never made that. Let me know if I should do that down below. Here we have spicy chili oil sunny. We have a loose omelet. And then some soft boiled eggs. Alright, look at our lovely spread right here. Eggs 3 different ways on toast. Pretty straightforward, right? Wanna try this one out? Try that one. See, I like it to be loose like that. American cheese is the best cheese ever. Comment down below. Tell me why American cheese is the best cheese ever. I actually really like the mustard one. Smash like, subscribe.